I have these 3 clothes here. They all need hangers. Let's go make some. I found this awesome model on Maker World that does the job just fine, and it folds up. Let's do it. I'm gonna go with this nice tan color. Let's get this going.
He came from somewhere back in how long ago. The sentimental fool don't see, trying hard to recreate what had yet to be created. Once in her life, she musters a smile for his nostalgic tale. Never coming near what he wanted to say, only to realize.
After an hour and 30 minutes, it is fully finished. Let's go try it out. 2 pieces down, snap them together, and you got yourself a nice hanger. Just go test it out. That works pretty good. Time to print some more.